This is a demo of ToroCube line chart. To plot a line chart, we are going to go to the configuration panel and we're going to count by manufacturer. So let's do that. And we'll get a line chart. Basically, there's 3 manufacturers and these are the cases associated with them, so the numbers show up. Now we're going to go, and the other thing we can do is we can stack. So we're going to say we're going to stack by case expectedness. Why not? And we're going to, the other thing you want to look at when we say we're stacking is that the line type shows up and it says by default cumulative or distinct. So we'll leave it at cumulative and we're going to generate it. So the one thing you will notice is these numbers. So this is 2005 of 3185, total being 3185 for Infoword Pharma. So, and this happens to be 1180 out of 3185. So from here, which is 0, to here, it's 2005. Yes. From here to here, the distance is 1180. So the 1180 is built on top of this. And that's what, when we saw the line type being cumulative, that's what it means. So it doesn't start from 0 for the next line. It starts from there and adds 1180 to come to 3185. If I were to switch that to distinct, both these lines would start from 0 basically, and this would go from 0 to 1180, which is roughly somewhere here, and this would go from 0 to 2005, which is here, and then the total of this 2005 and 1180 would be 3185 combined. And if I come here, and I can also have the option to basically remove the percentages. I can also change the y-axis to logarithmic. So let's do that and let's generate the chart. There you go. This is a logarithmic axis, the distance between, for this 0, 100 and 200 to 400, or 500 to 1000, 1000, 2000 is the same. And the chart appears on a logarithmic grid, at least on the y-axis. We can also save the image. So the image will come save as a PNG file. Let's do that. So here we go. Here's the image. And there's another file downloaded. There's the filters that were applied, so you know what data is behind this chart. The date range is there, for example. What are the other options were the age group, the patient sex, all of that is available. In the data panel, we also have export to ToroViewer. ToroViewer has been disabled here, the export to ToroViewer. ToroViewer is an interactive file you can create to send to somebody who can look at the chart and perform some kind of the same kind of interactive analysis that you can. Saving the report, there is a video on saving reports. Please view that. That has all the details. And confirmation report generates an Excel spreadsheet listing all the cases that are behind the data that went into making this chart, this analysis. And so if you were to, for example, filter on a bunch of things and end up with the X number of cases and and you needed to know what the case number were, you would click on the confirmation report and see that. It also allows you to zoom and pan. Again, zoom is kind of meaningless in a small chart, but nonetheless you can zoom and create these distances. Let's reset zoom. It just makes the chart bigger in a sense, and you can then pan across. There's obviously a lot of things you can filter on, and there is a separate video on filtering. Please see that. They'll show you how powerful and versatile really filtering is in ToroCube. Thank you very much for watching.